Akshan Taak and no one bag of mouth.
Buddy, my name Caban's
My name Denise Casserly. This is a TV Fiwi and the program Akshan Taak. Fiwi news in a Fiwi language.
Make we look at what the news I say about the US 2008 president election.
Mr. Edward Siaga said, when it comes to the election for US president in a 2008, Jamaica not important. Cold War done. Capitalists not fight against communists no more. That according to the Gleaner for October 26, 2008. And Mr. Siaga, who did as the Prime Minister of Jamaica in the 1980s, said, right now, Jamaica and the US they in the same boat, one lifeboat. Neither McCain nor Obama no interested in Jamaica and the Caribbean, so no expect no help, no care who win.
But we in Jamaica love the excitement. We have followed the election like a few won. As according to how Jamaican people see it, I only one man in the race, Obama.
The Observer for October 23 write about where people in Jamaica did say about who them want win the US election. That the newspaper asked the question on the internet and 5,526 people answer. 94 out of every 100 say them want Obama win. Only 6 out of every 100 say them would have want Senator John McCain win the election for president.
Peter Espute in the Gleaner October 3 I play fool for catch wise. Him say him can't understand why make everybody a follow the US election for president and a back up Barack Hussein Obama Jr. to win. Him want know if Jamaican people can even tell who are Republican and who are Democrat. So him wonder what Obama said him a go do make Jamaican people like. Can't be when Mr. Obama say about man will have sex with man and woman will have sex with woman. As according to the article, Senator Obama said in a March 2007, we not see nothing wrong with man have sex with man and woman have sex with woman. So Espute asked the question, if a politician in Jamaica did say so, who would have voted for him?
And it can't be where you must say about education, or about care for your sick, or about money where you must go spend to fight war. Nobody in Jamaica no know nothing about them the business. Or just the color thing. The article where Espute write, argue said Jamaica people like Obama cause him black and McCain white. Jamaican are back Obama sake him race. Them are back him cause him black, no care where ma defend. Obama a Democrat, but at the Republican Party and McCain, we believe in the things them where most people in Jamaica are defend. And not just Mr. Espute asked what make we back Obama. In a one article on September 28, 2008, Jorge Hine shows that plenty of what Obama said he would do when he turned president no good for the Caribbean. Obama planned to tap US people from bank their money in a place like Antigua and Barbados to dodge tax where them to pay in the US, and implant the top job where people can do in the US from do outside of the country. That means to say we in the Caribbean we get one lick.
But everything no bad. From where that same article say, him a got ease up on them country where owe the US money that are good for Jamaica, and him promise to change up how the US are deal with Cuba. Him a got allow the Cuban American them to go back here to Cuba anytime them feel like to go visit and to send money back to them family. And him would have start talk with the government in Cuba to make them open up for them country. Him would allow people in the US to buy and sell with Cuba. Him feel said that would have sweet the government in Cuba and make them do where the US tell them to do.
But we're still not too sure what make people in Jamaica and in the rest of the Caribbean back Obama. If I cause them want to see one black man in the White House for the first time, here where Orville Taylor write in the Gleaner on January 24, 2007 say. Him say, plenty people are going like say Obama would have been the first black man to turn US president. In called 6 US president names where did a part black. Thomas Jefferson, Andrew Jackson, Abraham Lincoln, Warren Harding, and Calvin Coolidge. In a 1796, when Jefferson did a run for president, him get called. One bad mind picnic for one half Indian woman and one half white, half black man. And the article said Lincoln mother said him real father did a one black man. Cause for our own husband couldn't breed her sake of the mumps where him catch when he did little. And for the rest of president name we call in the article the same kind of thing.
What on the Uncle Jamaica a yard about Obama? A Jamaican abroad too. In one article in the Observer on October 23, we read about one Jamaican man, Ephraim Martin, from St. Thomas. Him live in Chicago now. Him say, him tell Obama to run for senator and to run for president. And Obama take him advice all 2 times. Mr. Martin responds for the International Reggae and World Music Award them we give out every year. Mr. Martin say, him give Senator Obama that the advice on one TV program named Straight Talk. Now, Mr. Martin has raised money for the Obama campaign. Him say him raised $20,000 for October 2008 and I ask people to go on his website mybarackobama.com to give money.
Me think say I broke US law if you give election campaign money if you don't come from that the country. But here what else him say? Him say Obama come in just like Bob Marley. The 2 of them half white, half black, so them can link with all kind of people. Him say some black people in the US did think say Barack not did black enough for them, but he win them over.
Mr. Martin, another Uncle Jamaica smaddy. In the US, we back Obama. The Gleaner for October 20 said Colin Powell come out and back Obama too. When George W. Bush first come in, Powell did a him secretary for state. In the response, the angle wagwan between the US and the rest of the country them. Mr. Powell belonged to the Republican Party, the party where McCain represent in the election. But not that stop him from come out and say him back Obama will run for the Democratic Party. And in the same article, Colin Powell said in peace that the US want one smaddy, we can change what we want. And the smaddy have to come from one new generation. Him say McCain one good man, but Obama are the man for the president work. Senator Obama tell General Powell thanks and said now at the time for everybody come together. Young and old, rich and poor, black and white, Republican and Democrat.
Well, the Caribbean people up in the US are back Obama. Me say all music video I make.
Yeah, the mighty Sparrow from Trinidad make one.
And Cocoa from Jamaica make one too.
So that's where the Jamaica news did have to say about the 2008 president election.
So till next time, this is Akshan Taak. Fluid news in a fluid language. My name Denise Casserly.
My name Cavan Stewart. Later.
All them a try, none of them couldn't stop him. Presidential candidate, them a forgive him. Roll the red carpet out, yes, them a forgive him. The Lord bless him. How will the man name? Barack Obama. Right. Barack Obama. Yeah. Barack Obama, first black president of the United States.
The respect of the world that we now lack. If you want it back, then vote Barack. Because this time we come out to vote